guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen at the butt crack of 10. 10 a.m. Alright, so it's breakfast, it's COVID breakfast time. I mean, we get up a little bit later, but I hope your Veganuary's going great. I wanted to try somebody else's recipe out today. So, if you guys know Tangela Inc. over on YouTube, they are both
Tyler and Angela
from Big Brother. They're both recent vegans. I would say like a year and a half, 2 years now.
Who's counting?
I'm just saying. They made a cookbook, or she made a cookbook, and I'm going to try out her protein pancakes today, but I'm going to not follow the recipe. Come on, guys. You know I can't. So anyway, I'm very lazy. She did hers in a bowl. I'm doing mine in my Vitamix. So I'm just going to do it Jan's way. I'm living the Jantasy.
Jangela.
Alright, so I'm using a banana, just like she did. I wanted to use applesauce, but unfortunately my applesauce had an accident in the refrigerator. Someone left it unattended for too long. Wah, wah. So that's why we're using a banana. She also used 1 scoop of protein powder. I didn't have the blueberry muffin powder. She was hawking the blueberry muffin protein powder, so I'm going to use Orgain peanut butter flavor. Yum, yum, yum. And I can't find, where's the scoop in there? I'm just going to put a 1/4 cup. I'm not digging for the scoop in there, sorry. 1/4 cup. And we're also going to do a 1/4 cup of flour. Just regular flour. If you want to make these gluten-free, if this is gluten-free, which I think it might be, or not. I just lied. Use oat flour. That would work really good. And if you don't have oat flour, just grind up some whole oats in there, and you got oat flour. That's how they make it. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
And we want these to have a little lift. So we're going to throw in some baking powder. Just a little bit. I think this is half a teaspoon. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
It smells wonderful already. You
It
smell
does,
the banana?
yeah.
How could you go wrong with banana and peanut butter? Come on. And I think we'll use... I was just going to dump in the milk, but then if you guys want to follow along at home, I thought, well, maybe I should give you like an amount. I'm going to say like 3/4 of a cup. I'm using oat milk, but you can use whatever your heart desires. She used water. I want milk. Non-dairy milk. So let's, that looks so wrong. Let's blend this up and see what happens. We might have to add more milk. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. And we're done.
Done.
Let's see. Nope, we're not done.
Oh.
We have a little didn't get mixed over there. Alright, so just put it on for 2 more seconds and then we'll be done. Actually, I'm going to start heating up the pan while I finish blending.
Good call.
I'm putting it on mid. Done. Okay, don't touch the pan. I think it's hot enough. You know the first pancake's always a fart, so we'll try and do our best. Give it a warm welcome anyway. Also, I want to caution you against making this too thick because it will take the pancake forever to cook and it'll just end up burning. So let's hope this pan's hot enough. This is going to make a pretty nice stack of pancakes.
How many would you guess?
I would say probably about 5, maybe more. Maybe we can have more. I don't know. I don't know if this pan was hot enough or not. Let's turn it up a little bit. I think this is a good consistency though, because any thicker than that, it's going to be like... Angela put blueberries in hers. I have blueberries, but I find whenever I make blueberries, it doesn't end well. So what I'm going to do is I have some Polaner Simply like fruit spread, whatever. It's just sweetened with fruit juice. I'm going to use that on top instead of syrup. So, oh, it's looking promising.
Got some bubbles.
Also, don't buy utensils at Walmart. Doesn't end well. I just had to peel off a big piece of plastic on this, so
Ooh.
not going to do that again. All right, so this is pancake rules. You know, wait for the edges to look a little bit dry. You're going to see some bubbles here. Let's give it a test. Oh, not ready yet.
What happened here?
This is bad. This is a real fail. Do you think it was because it was too thin?
Maybe.
Do you think I should add a little more flour?
I don't know. You should do something because that Skippy, that ain't it.
Ugh. Yeah. Let's add a little more flour, and we'll meet back at the pan on the next try.
Okay then.
That's just terrible. Let's try it with some more flour right next to it so we could see its mistake. Still a little thin, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, we're just experimenting here, right? We're friends.
You just made these the other day and they came out great.
I know. I don't understand. That's just wrong.
You should probably just take that out.
Sorry, pancake.
Now you have to eat that.
Nah, not eating it. Sorry. I don't even know if this one's gonna be good.
Looks better.
It looks better, but I don't know if it's gonna be good. Okay, this is a little bit promising. Should I just...
Oh boy.
Splattered a
Still
little bit.
dark.
Yeah, maybe
Not
turn
too
this
bad,
down
though.
a little bit. Yeah, this is definitely better. Okay, so
You got a little bit of a crime scene here.
yeah, a little bit. I think 3/4 of a cup was too much, so I would go with a half.
Good to know.
Yeah, definitely go with a half and maybe just a skosh more of flour.
All right.
All right, so Mama ended up with 7 children altogether. 6 that made it and 1 that died a horrible death. All right, so
They came out pretty dark.
yeah, and they're still a little loosey-goosey on the inside, but I think that's partly due to the banana
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say the protein powder.
and the protein powder. Doesn't really cook like a flour, so that's the price you pay for protein. So I really like peanut butter on my pancakes too, and this one is so runny and beautiful. I'm just gonna put a little bit extra on there. All right, Louis sent us this, and it's life-changing when you use it correctly. Oh, yeah! There you go.
Nice.
We got our seedless raspberry Polana all fruit, not spawn. Hope I was, wish I was. Sweetened only with fruit juice. So we just put a little bit on there. Let that heat
that
up a little
raspberry?
bit. It is. But the thing that I really like about this is that there's no seeds. Nothing sucks worse than biting down on a seed and it just rocks you to your core.
Yeah.
I don't need to be losing any teeth now. I can't afford it. All right, so let's give it a try. See what I mean about it? Like it's a little, it's a little wet in there, but you don't have to worry about it because there's no egg or anything. Well, that's a big bite. Let's get some more raspberry. Okay.
Tasty? I mean, that's what counts, right?
I'm not angry at that. Why don't you try
Angela's didn't look like that.
it? No. Hers were beautiful like her. Mine are ugly like me.
Stop it. You're not ugly. Oh.
All right, Maddie's going to give this a shot. Sorry, my shadow's on there. My ugly shadow.
Stop.
You're ruining the video.
They taste really good.
They don't look so good, but they taste pretty
great.
good. Oh, good. Would you eat? Would you eat again?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I would eat those.
There you have
I might
it.
make some tomorrow.
Oh, whoa. What?
We'll see.
All right.
Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you had fun. You know, sometimes things just don't...
Turn out the way you expect?
Yeah, but...
Make it work.
These are not a total fail. They're still good. They just don't look great, but...
Tim Gunn, make it work.
Yeah, but, we still want to show you guys when it happens.
Exactly.
As long as it's not too bad.
Yeah. Well, we've had some really
Sometimes
bad
it's just not productive to show it, but this...
Yeah.
we can work with, right?
I mean, we're not perfect.
No. So we hope you're all having a great day.
Great
a great
January.
January. If you're not already subscribed, why not subscribe? And let us know if you try these and if yours are better.
Post a picture on Instagram if yours are better. I'd love to see it.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys next time. And until then, much love.